Yeah, that was crazy. It got really low.
Not all with the 4.
Okay. Wow, what made you do 2 regular, 2 invert?
So the box is built for Scar EVLs. I had the box laying around. I had my other build. I pulled the 2 woofers out of it and threw it in here. It sounded like they were kind of getting choked up a little bit. So we tested some out. We did all 4 inverted. It played lows better, but I kind of lost on the high side. And I flipped these 2 around and it liked it the best.
A little bit louder and lower.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
It's on 2 DC 5Ks wired at half ohm per 2.
Are they strapped or gain matched?
They're not strapped, they're just gain matched.
Okay.
They got a 400 amp alternator on just the base side, and I got another 400 amp on the truck side with the mids and highs and all the other electronics.
Nice. What vehicle?
It's a 03 Yukon XL.
Okay. That's how you had the bigger back. Okay. Because you still had your back seats.
Yeah.
Wow.
We try to cram all of our luggage and stuff in here with the seats folded down.
Looks good. So the battery bank is underneath of here?
Yep, it's inside the amp rack. It's a 96 amp hour spin bank.
Okay.
It's just 1 for now. Probably gonna get another 2 in the next couple weeks.
Okay. Wow. Looks good. Did you install this?
Me and a buddy.
Okay.
They did reverse, yeah.
Any SPL tests?
We did a 54.3 on the Ruthless 10K. When I put the 2 DC 5Ks in, I lost down to like 52s, 53s, but I also put a cock box in, so I'm going to try to put a CVL in there and see if I can gain a little bit more out of it. Just kind of ran out of time for the weekend.
So you went from the 10K to 2 5Ks and slightly less loud output.
But I clamped 9,800 out of this, and I clamped like right around 42 out of the Ruthless 10K.
Oh, wow.
So there's a loss somewhere.
Yeah, there's a loss somewhere.
Kind of got to find it, but this is a temporary setup. I got a wall build coming soon with 4 DC level 5 18s.
Okay.
Real fun little C-pillar.
Nice. Awesome. Can I look under your hood too to see the alternator? Okay. Do you know how big the box is?
I do not off the top of my head.
No worries.
It peaks at 40. It plays from like 28 to 40 pretty well.
What was your highest SPL score?
It was a 54.3.
Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's big vehicle, big cabin too.
Yeah, so being down with that 2 dB right now, it's
yeah.
at me.
Yeah. Oh, nice doors. All right, straight to demo.
All right, we're gonna play seal.
Okay. Does it do better sealed? Really?
Yeah.
The large cabin helps it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It loses drastically, like on the meter, it loses drastically with windows now.
Yeah. Man, this cabin looks way bigger than I realized when you
I
sit
got the seats folded down, so it makes it look a whole lot bigger than it is.
Yeah. Is this not accurate?
No, that's accurate. I tried 16.5.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
It's
High 20 to low 30s.
It's solid for a non-wall and a
Yeah.
big cabin below the window line.
Yeah.
But dude, man, I'm really excited to get this C-pillar wall done.
Oh, you're gonna be doing a wall.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm doing 4 DC level 5 18s and 5K per. So,
Big cone area jump too then. Okay.
big cone area jump, big power jump, and
Yeah.
we're gonna see what we can do out of it, man. But I know it thrives from like 28 to 40.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna have to get them to pull up a little bit after.
Yeah, that's fine. Your name?
Man, Jaden.
Jaden, JacobViral. The doors are solid.
Thank you, man.
Nope.
I just threw it together
Less flex is a good thing because it keeps the pressure on you and it's louder.
Put a weight, but yeah, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
The lows, I could tell the feeling of just the pressure in here, man. That's awesome.
Got a little safety on
Yeah, that was low. What frequency was that?
I actually don't know on this song.
Man, that was crazy. Got really low. I appreciate the demo, man. Your name?
Man, Jaden.
Jaden, JacobViral. Awesome,
Thank you so
dude.
much for checking it out.
You're welcome. The doors are solid.
Thank you, man.
Nope.
I just threw it together
less
last
flex is a good thing because it keeps the pressure on you and it's
week.
louder.
A little bit of weight, but yeah, man, it
Yep.
works.
Yeah. All right, dude.
Thank you.